Welcome to week number 6. Okay, so this week you're going to watch the video. Congratulations. You're going to look over the sample Essay 2. Just like with Essay 1, I give you a sample Essay 2 here. Please take a look at it. One of the things what became very clear with the first essay was that the students who spent more time with the sample essay did a better job on their own essays. Okay, so do spend some time with this. Look at it. It should give you a pretty good idea of sort of what I'm going for in terms of this assignment, okay? The real goal here, of course, is to figure out how they end up with the results they end up with. If it's possible to say this study is better than this study, that's great. But that's not necessarily the goal. The goal is really to understand how they got to the results they got. Why did they find what they found? If they disagree, how are we to understand that, right? And this essay gives you a good example of if they disagree, what do we do? We're using John Peters' article, which you guys read last week, and then Sharon Fowler, which is another piece on diet soda here, and they come to different conclusions, and this talks a little bit about what to make of that and how we are to understand what those studies actually tell us if they disagree with each other. Okay, there's a video here on summarizing and paraphrasing. For this essay particularly, you might need to summarize or paraphrase significant, not a ton in your essay, but you're going to obviously give your reader a summary of the article that you're working from. You might need some direct quotes depending on the situation. So this talks about summarizing and paraphrasing. There's a couple quick sites here on the MLA Works Cited and MLA in-text citations. If you've got any questions about that, don't hesitate to let me know. And then the real goal for this week is to get the essay done. We are going to do peer review next week. So long as your essay is turned in on time, Tuesday morning next week, I will put together your peer review groups and give you instructions on how to do peer review. If it's not in on time, there's sort of a little bit of cushion between Monday and Wednesday for you to get in, me to try to get you, no guarantees, me to try to get you into a peer review group yet. If it comes in any later than that, I won't have time to get you into a peer review group, okay? If you've got any questions along the way, don't hesitate to let me know. I'm here to help.